our planet. This also included the dangers of plastic.
We decided to hold an event to raise awareness and at the same time raise money for our school.
We wrote to local agencies inviting them to hold a stall.
We sent texts and emails to our local newspapers.
We rang up Powys County Council for some help and advice.
We needed to raise money, so we thought of exciting games which were pretty unique and fun to play.
We came up with some great games.
Throwing rubbish into the correct recycling bin. Recycle plastic Skittles out of plastic bottles.
How heavy was the bucket of nappies?
They were great fun and we hardly spent any money creating our stalls. We bought prizes in bulk to keep the prices real low.
These were the most popular stalls at our event and raised the most money.
We also made items out of unwanted blind sample books.
We made pencils cases, book markers and whiteboards all from one folder. We used plastic bottles to make pots, pencil cases and bird feeders.
We had a few difficulties, like sticking paint to the pots, so we had a science investigation to see what paint was best to use.
This soon solved our problem.
We brought eco-friendly items and sold them for a small profit.
We researched and put information on each stall to highlight the dangers of plastic.
We had great fun selling items. We even made biscuits and cakes and sold every single one.
It was an amazing event and we raised a fantastic £281.23 for our school.